and crash 300, they are extremely volatile. They can take your money for vanishing. So, okay. Yep. So this is where you add pairs. What's next on the list? All right. Where to change pairs and delete pairs. Okay. Yeah. Same place. Same place. So now how to delete pairs? You can come to this pencil icon here. After the plus sign, you see the delete icon. Click on the delete icon. Now choose the pair you want to delete. I want to delete silver versus US dollar. That's XAGUSD. One. I want to delete V75. Thank you. Get there. Get the fuck out of there. Volatility 50, but I want to delete, in short, I want to delete all the volatilities. Boom. So now we are left with boom 1000, boom 500, crash 1000, and crash 500. So if you want to like change them, like C1000 should be below or B1000 should be above, just you see the three horizontal line on boom 1000, beside boom 1000. Yeah, just hold it. You see, switch anywhere you want to put it. Look at the three horizontal and crash 1000. You can put it here, put crash 500 here. So just so that's all. Okay. Then you come back to your chart. So now to easily, let me say you want, this is we're on boom 1000, right? Look at boom 1000 index H1. So you want to change to boom 500. You cannot come here every time and click boom 500, then come to chart. Then you wait for it to load up. You understand? You cannot do that every time. That's kind of a long process. Wow, this market is selling. I hope I did not miss that. Okay, so instead of the a shortcut that you can um go through, that is just you see boom 500 index H1. Click on boom 500. Your list you have here on your quotes, you have boom 1000, boom 500, crash 500, and crash 1000. Come back to your chart. They are already here. So they're already here on boom 500. So you just click on boom 500, look at your list. They're out already. So you can quickly go to the pair you want to. So let me say I want to go to crash 1000. Just tap on it and crash 1000 is going to pop up. Okay. So let me say I want to go to crash 500. Just tap on it and crash 500 is going to pop up. So we want to go to crash 1000. Voila. That's all. Then how to delete pairs. I've taught you guys that already. Click on the pencil icon. Yeah, so we've done that. Then how to buy and sell. Okay. All right. Like I said, this was one of the long distance. Let me say I want to sell boom 1000. Come here. I need to click on this plus sign up here. Then look at sell or buy. But make sure you check from this dollar sign that you are on boom 1000. But the best way to do it is just to click on one click. You understand? So I want to sell it. Click on sell. So it's going to ask you one click trading. You read the terms and the disclaimer. Okay, make sure you read it. If you like it, you accept. If you don't, but I read it already and I like it. It's just for me to quickly sell. So I accept terms and condition. Yes, then click on OK. So now I want to sell. No need for me to go to trade, go come here. Nah, none of that. Just I want to sell boom 1000. I click on sell. I want to buy boom 1000. I click on buy. You understand? So if you come to your trade, you see there's a buy and a sell. You understand? So let's close that. Okay, I think I don't like that sound. I think I'll teach you guys how to close trade. All right. So that's the function of one click. Very important. So you can take it off to get a fuller view of your chart board. So next on our list is how to change lot size and how to use lot size. Okay, so the most easiest way to do that, no need to come to trade and do all of those long process. Just click on one click, then you see sell, then you see a V icon, then you see 0.2, then you see a, like, should I say greater down, but looking up. You understand? Yeah. So you see buy, then you see that 0.2 at the middle. Yeah, that is our lot size. So you just click on it, it's going to pop out. So if you want to use 0.2 is 0. That's 20 cents. So if you want to use 3, just X out the 2, place 3. You understand? You want to use 5, clean out 3, place 5. So this is 50 cents. Then you want to use one standard lot size. Take it out and place in 1. So you want to use 10 lot size at 0. You want to use 50 lot size, take everything out, place 50 lot size. Instant. So this is the easiest way to go about it. And there's another way you can do it, but I don't like that one. That's by doing this. Just this increase, they're like increasing volume. So it's like increasing your lot size. So first of all, yep, you see, or you can just tap on 0.2 or tap on 1.2, but it's not that safe. Just use the what's it called? Just use the um button. Yep. So tap out, and yeah, so the button is way cooler and way better. All right. So take that out. So that's how to change lot size. And what else am I missing? There's something, as I said, I wanted to show you guys. Let me see if I remember that. What was it again? Yeah, how to close trade. Yes, how to close trade. Okay, so we come here. No, sorry. For instance, you are selling or buy boom 1000. Okay, so that's it. Let me say you want to add another position, buy. So we have 2 positions on boom 1000. Okay, so you come to trade. Let me say you want to close this trade. Like you don't want to take this position again, you want to close it. You come to trade. This is boom 1000. You see it, boom 1000, the first one. So you place your hand on the 0.25 minus 0.25. Like you want to, like you want to change, you want to slide to another picture. Just slide to the left. No, sorry, not the entire thing. Just slide to the left. Yep. So these icons are going to slide out. The first one is to close trade. The second one, the pencil icon, is to edit your stop loss and your TP. Then the plus is to come and add more trade or more position, but we don't need that. Then the last one, the graph, is to bounce to the chart, like it's up bounce to the chart. You understand? So we come here, slide out. So the first one now is close trade. You get it? Don't worry, you get it. Don't forget about it. You get it. So now come here, close trade. You see? So if you want to close the trade, close it. But let's look at something else, the pencil icon. So when you click on the pencil icon, you see that there is no close trade here. It's only showing modify. The down, look at the down part. Yeah, showing modify instead of close trade. So now what you do is you come here, you tap on the SL, that's stop loss. Then you put in your SL 16, blah, 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 that. Then you put in your TP. Maybe your TP is 100 pips, 100, now, then what you do, if the numbers are correct, it's going to show modify. But because the numbers are not correct, so it's not going to show modify. Okay. So when you show modify, you just click on it and you're going to see your TP and your SL set on your board. Okay. So I think we should do that because I should not postpone it to another class. It's kind of advanced though, but I think you need to understand it. Okay. So for instance, we want to put our price, our TP here. So this is 16345.21. All right, so come here, slide out, tap on the pencil icon, tap on TP because you are buying, so it's going up. So what was the price again? 1623 something dot 25. It's not showing modify, meaning I did not get the number right. All right, let's go there again. Here, once it here, 16345.21. Listen, don't forget that. TP 16345.21. Good. You see now, modify. So you click on modify. I don't like that sound. Yep. So TP is showing. So when price gets to this place, even if you're not online, even if your phone is switched off, it's going to automatically close the trade for you and keep your balance in your account. You understand? Good. So for SL, so let's say we want our SL to be here 16294.84. Then you come 16294.84. You see, it's going to show modify. All right. Yep. So we have, sorry. So we have our TP and our SL set. So if the market is going against you, it's going to close at this SL and it will not burn into your account. So this SL is like caution, is like safety. In short, is the most important thing in your trading. You understand? TP is very, very important, but to be sincere and honest, do your SL first before your TP. Okay. Now, okay, why I said you should do your SL first is sometimes you might be at a position where you're in a hurry, but you just want to pick the trade and you will forget to set your TP. But don't forget to set your SL. Trust me. Don't forget to set your SL. So you might be at a place where the network is crappy, but the spare the few chance that the network gives you to pick the trade, make sure the network allows you to set SL. Please, SL set it. You understand? You can forget to set TP and sleep off, but don't forget to set SL. You understand? Good. So another thing to check out is you can tap on TP. You see, it will bring out the price for you. So if it goes to TP, that is 4.16 US dollar. And if it comes to SL, you're going to lose 5.92 dollar. You understand? But this is just a test run. So you can X to take it out. Then if you want to use crosshair to know how many pips that is, you put the crosshair on your buy spot, your buy price, then hold with your left thumb, then move with your right thumb. So TP is about 21 pips. You can see it. TP is about 21 pips. Then drag down to check SL. SL is 29 pips. Nah, that isn't a good risk to reward. Okay, so that is that for that. Then you want to close. You come here, then close with loss. Oh, all right. So yeah, that's it. All right, guys. So there's something I missed out on that I'm supposed to show you guys. That's very important, and it is using the slant. That should be the landscape. Yeah, the landscape view of our chart. You know, this is portrait. Was that not what it's called? Let me see. Where's it? Yep. So auto rotate. Yep. So let's use the auto rotate like landscape. I don't know. That should be it. Portrait and landscape. Yeah. So something like this. Good. Okay. So if you want to get used to the interface on this landscape mode, you tap on it. You see on the left hand side, you have your M1, your time frame. You understand? Then on the right hand side, you have your icons. Okay, so the first one is the set limits, like the sell limit, buy limits. You see it here. So, okay, cancel out. The next one is one click. You understand? Okay, so you're done with it. You cancel out. Then the next one is settings. Remember settings. Yes. So then next is pairs. So you see when you click on it, so you have boom 1000, boom 500, crash 500, and crash 1000. All right. Then if you want to change that back, you see, so the place where you click, where we click now, that we got pairs, is the same place you click and it to change the time frame. So it's like two icon in one. So you click and it changes to time frame. You click again, changes to pairs. So when you change it to pair, it's going to the icon is going to change to time frame. Then you click. So when you change to time frame, the icon is going to change to the dollar sign pair. All right. So the next on our list is the next on the list, I mean, is indicators, which we don't use. Right. Then next is where to get your favorite objects, like where to draw tools and all of those things from. Then the next one is crosshair. All right. Okay. After that, we have oh, we have the it's not the line charts. Yeah, this should be the bar chart or something. No, yeah. What's the name of this thing again? No, no, but we don't use that. Come back to bar chart. Then the last one is line chart. Yep. So I think that's all. Yes. So come back to bar chart. So that's all on using landscapes. All right. So to use your crosshair to calculate pips, let's say you want to calculate from here to here. Okay. You can do it like this. Place your crosshair here. Hold with your left thumb, then drag with your right, and just trying to align it yourself. 252 pips, or you can put it at the tip of the week. 252 pips. You understand? And if you want to go down and check this 123 pips, you understand? So this landscape mode is also good for analysis. You understand? Because it will make you see a wider range of your previous charts, because the to know your next move, or to know what is going to happen next in the market, you need to uh see more of the previous charts. Yeah, what has price been doing in the previous market? Okay, look at this. You see the view is limited. You can only see to this place. Let me point it out. You can only see to this place. You see? But when you slant it, see, you can see a whole lot. Then one last thing, tap on the board, come to settings, then you see line type, candlestick, leave it on candlestick. You understand? So anybody that uses bar chart or line charts, they are Forex terrorists. Don't be like them, okay? Then OHLC, leave it on. You see, leave it on. Show data window. Nah, don't touch that. Show volumes, don't touch that. Trade position, show position open prices on charts. Okay, yeah, you can leave that one. Trade order, show pending order price on charts. Yeah, you can leave that one. I'm sorry. Trade history and trade history, show trade operations history on charts. No, don't click that one. It's going to how am I going to say it? It's just going to rubbish your chart. All right. Whatever trade you're closing, it will be showing on your chart. SLTP levels, show stop loss and take profits values on charts. Yes. Show period separators, don't touch that. Max price line, yeah, you can leave that on or off if you want. Last price line, you can leave it on or off if you want. Show trade notification on charts. What's this? We can come back to this one. One click panel at the bottom. No, don't turn it on. If you turn this on, you see one click is at the top. Yep, it's going to bring it to the bottom. So leave it at the top. So color, customize color scheme. Yeah, we've gone to that place before. So yes, so basically this is everything B1K. Stupid. Where are you flying to? All right, so this is everything that you really need to know on the MT5 mobile interface. Okay, so thank you and see you in our next class.